Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is EuroTrophy presents Trophy Active Protection System configuration with drone defense features on Leopard 2 ARC 3.0 main battle tank. EuroTrophy demonstrated a new configuration of the Trophy Hardkill Active Protection System during EuroTrophy 2026 in Paris. The company is a joint venture whose shareholders are Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, General Dynamics European Land Systems and KNDS Deutschland. The new configuration expands the Trophy Vehicle Protection System with options intended to address different threat sets. EuroTrophy is now offering two configurations of the system, distinguished mainly by their radar equipment. The classic solution uses the WindGuard radar operating in the S-band. A second option uses the StormGuard radar operating in the X-band, which is presented as better suited to detecting and tracking numerous slow-moving targets such as drones. Both radars are products of Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI. The StormGuard antennas are also slightly smaller than those of the WindGuard configuration. EuroTrophy also proposed new effectors designed specifically to counter drones. The anti-drone configuration was presented on the Leopard 2 ARC 3.0 concept main battle tank. In this configuration, Trophy also supervises a set of interceptor drones carried by the tank. Two launcher blocks were mounted at the rear of the turret, each containing for transport launch canisters for interceptor drones. The system can respond with different effectors depending on how the Trophy fire control system classifies the target. Its own effectors may be used against anti-tank grenade launcher projectiles, while interceptor drones may be used against aerial threats. A remotely controlled weapon station may also be used in the response. Its fire control system can also receive target information from Trophy. According to the consortium, the ability to transmit information is a key function of the Trophy system. This gives the active protection system a wider role in the vehicle's defensive architecture. Trophy has become the standard active protection system for Leopard 2 family tanks. It has been fitted to Norwegian Leopard 2 A8NO tanks and German Leopard 2 A7A1 tanks. The Norwegian vehicles were previously classified as Leopard 2 A7NO. They were reclassified as Leopard 2 A8NO because of minor design differences and for marketing purposes. Further orders of Leopard 2 A8 tanks are also expected to include Trophy. The input article said the Bundeswehr intends this year to buy at least 75 additional Leopard 2 A8 tanks. Trophy HV is also described as a standard active protection system for tanks. It is planned for US M1A2 SEPV3 Abrams tanks, although those systems are not normally mounted in daily service and form part of wartime additional equipment. The system is also expected to equip British Challenger 3 tanks, though not all of them. Israeli tanks and other armored vehicles of the Merkava family are also fitted with Trophy. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology.